Welcome to this physical experiment testing the surface of the Samsung Galaxy S3. Normally in physics, when an object comes to rest, forces of friction will make it stay so. However, this morning, me and my friend Erik the alien discovered a new phenomenon of the S3 screen. An object which lands on the screen will start moving if it's only a small tilt of the device. We have removed the battery, as you can see here, to exclude the possibility that there is some sort of vibration in the device which facilitate the movement. And we will now first test with a biscuit to demonstrate this interesting phenomenon. You see, it moves slowly off the screen. And we can also use another object.
Clay.
A bit of clay, actually. So the clay has a much smaller surface area, which means that there will be much more weight for each surface, but still the clay moves almost at a constant speed off the display. We can only guess the reason for this very strange behavior, but maybe it has something to do with the surface coating protecting the screen from fingerprints. You see, still the bit of clay is moving extremely slow, almost unlike anything I've seen before. Still moving. And still moving at an extremely slow speed. I think someone should do their physics thesis on this phenomenon. And still moving. As you can see when you compare the bit of clay to the reflection of the box with crackers. And I guess in 2 or 3 minutes it will have reached the end. Also, you can see it's rotating a little bit, although very slowly. Have you seen anything like this before, Erik?
No.
It isn't entirely true that we discovered this morning. You discovered it before, didn't you?
Yeah. Yesterday evening.
Okay. So it's fairly new discovery still.
Yes.
It hasn't stopped, has it?
I don't know. Maybe the incline is too small.
It's like it's rotating now.
Maybe one end has got stuck on a fingerprint.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Probably. It actually has to squeeze through the tiny lumps of matter constituting the fingerprint. They're actually very close to the edge now. it has now... It's now starting to go over the edge of the screen itself, and it's coming toward the frame of the phone. Also, can you see that there is a faint track of the bit of clay in the screen? It's not possible to see from the angle of the camera, but it's actually there. I can see two tracks, one in the front region of the bit of clay and one in the back region. And it has now actually transversed the border of the frame, and the first bits of the clay is actually over the edge of the handset now. I think in only a couple of minutes the bit of clay will fall off the screen, most likely. So very interestingly, friction is based on the material, which type of material it is, and of course the smoothness of the material, but most importantly, friction is a function... Oh, there it fell! Did you see that? So if any physicist sees this recording, please explain in the comment field below how this insane movement is possible. That was all for today. Bye bye.